Hi guys. Today we're gonna be playing like kind of a bee swarm simulator ripoff. It's called Bee Swarm Reborn. It has a lot of new stuff here, like this dispenser where you can get treats. This photon bear. Well, go get the pollen. Is that what they all say whenever you claim their quest? Mm. Yeah, so I accidentally already started playing it, but I haven't claimed it. I haven't finished any question because I wanted to do this for a video. So yeah, here I am playing the Beast on Simulator ripoff. So yeah, there's Photon Bear, there's Black Bear, and this I don't know this Adventure Bear or something. I forgot its name. But let's finish Black Bear's quest. So I got a basic bee because obviously it gave me a basic egg. It also gave me 3 red extracts, blue extracts, and a sprinkler for free. It doesn't even cost a million honey. In fact, where is the honey over here? Wait. Oh, it's right there. Okay. Let me clean my eye. Hello, basic bee. That is not a basic bee. There's also different fields too. I don't like how whenever I'm in like something like the hub, I can't move my thing. Oh, it's 100. I thought it was 200 at first. Wait, what do I have over? Wait, I have over 250. Huh, that was so weird. Well, let's see the sprinklers in here. Does it? Then why does it say I have a sprinkler? Huh? Why does it say I have a sprinkler? Oh, it's so dog water. You only gave me 250. Thanks. Oh, oh wait. He gave me a quest. I should probably go convert my one. Wait, I can make. This game is actually kind of. What can I do it when he's all the way over there? That's actually crazy. And he has to come back. Yo, I'm breaking this game in many ways. He has to come back so that he can convert. What the heck? Why is he moving like that? Wait, what do I have? What do I have a picture? What is bro even? Now you going. What? There's a 3 bees. Yeah, there's a 25 bee zone over there. It's like there's a zone for every single yeah. Well, bee that you get. Let's say you can get more than 50. I'm gonna try. Let me count that. 2, 5. It's okay. I'm just gonna count it by columns. Oh, I could just do the columns and rows. Let me see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, it's still 50. That's still 50. It takes so long just to... Oh, it's already finished. Never mind. Okay. So we need to defeat the ladybug. Is the ladybug in the... No, I think that's the tomato. Wait. If we can break the game like that, and I bet you we can break the game by literally going past here. Nope. We can't. Did I kill it? Oh. So is there a... So there's no whatever. Let me see if I can get past here. Oh, we're actually a little bit faster too than our regular walk speed. There's a 6 bee area. Oh my gosh. There's a bee area for everything. Oh man, I thought I could get through. And I guess I can't break the game in all ways. Okay, well, let's kill this ladybug. Did they just respawn? royal jelly, and 60 honey. Pretty nice. I don't know why it doesn't have the iconic ring. You know, like when you like the green check mark whenever you finish. Yeah, you know. 5. I love salads. Off topic, but okay. Red clover salad. This is so weird. This is not beast one, bro. It's a fan game of beast one, actually. Let me see if I can get a basic egg. Ooh, I can! Yay! That one costs like 1,000. Well, let's get my basic bee. Oh, I have royal jelly. I'm gonna use it on this. It gave me a cool bee. And another basic bee. Some pollen. I can't move my joystick whenever I'm on something like this. I hate that. There's even a microconverter. Well, I can't do this with me, bro. What is this? Microconverters too? Oh my! For one flower key. Did they just give me all that? I don't even have a flower key. I just accidentally claimed that. Thank you. Yo, oh, I didn't even see this. What's this? Oh, I did not see that first. Where's the bear? Should be a bear somewhere. It just says can't. This game could definitely This game could definitely be better. I guess I don't think anything beats the real beast one. What is there? Just no rhino beetle? Oh, instead of battle points, I think it's trophies. Oh, my bag is already full. Oh, I'm gonna be able to get the rake. How are they doing it from all the way over there? This game is so broken. Yo, we got spicy. Let me see what bees they have. Okay, spike bee. What? Okay, honeybee's definitely here. They should have kept the same face. Red agent, blue agent, candy. Curious, coconut bee. That should actually be something that should be here. Horror bee, venom. Oh, we don't talk about venom, bro. Cyborg. And I think digital is kind of already a cyborg if you really think about it. Meteor bee. Okay, thunderbolt. So basically just photon, black hole. He's the only abnormal bee. Okay, we got photon, windy, treasure bee. Why is there only 3? I think this game is definitely gonna get more updates. Why am I not buying this, bro? Heck no. It's not even the real beast. Why do I buy if it's the real one? They're not pricey at all though. Only 200? Jeez. Yeah, no. No, I'm not doing that. Nope. This game could definitely get better. Okay, but now I'm gonna buy the ring. I gotta go to sleep soon. I have a sleep schedule by my parents. I have to go. I gotta make this video a little bit short. Sorry, but it's not my fault. Whoa, so big. I think there's probably other tools other than like they probably have other treats. I should probably feed them to my bees. Ooh, puff. Yeah, nothing can beat the actual bee swarm. This sucks. And my bag is already full. Let's see if I can get a new bag. Cause this 250 won't cut it. Whoa, look at that. All that. Okay. Okay, let's go over here. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's see. Ooh, 5,000. I think, nah, I'll save up for that 5,000. I'm not buying 450. Nah, that 5,000 seems so worth it. Oh, let me level my bees, actually. I'll feed 50. What in the world? Went all the way up to level 17. Only with 50. What? That is crazy. This is much easier. Level 18, let's go. Let's feed another 50 to my cool bee. Level 20. Is that the max? Is that the max? I don't know what the max is. Oh, I think the max might be 50. Oh my gosh, can we go to all the way up to 50? And I think those white things mean that they're gifted bees. So it's not even yellow, it's white. That sounds out of context. Oh my gosh. Yo, that is crazy. It's already level 29. Oh, legendary puff. Probably won't be able to do this though. I need a sprinkler, but it says I don't have one. Yep. Okay, whatever. This 6 minutes? And my bag is probably, yep, it was because my bag was already full. Bro. Yeah, save me up for that 5,000. It's gonna be worth it. Don't worry. I promise you it's gonna be worth it. Dang. Already full. If only these could even get there. Is Scooby the first thing you get whenever you use a rare jelly? Because he has Scooby too. Oh, red backpacker. Oh, he's also trying to do this too. He's probably gonna give me some good rewards too. Better. I wonder who did the wait. What? We're already over it. Wait. We're already over it. Yeah, this game is actually a little bit tweaky and freaky. I say freaky. Does any of you guys have a lisp? My brother says that I do, but I don't think I do. I think I can say stuff perfectly. Do you think I can? By 100% is actually crazy. So, is the robot bear isn't over there, but maybe it's somewhere else? I have no idea. Trophy and 3 tickets. 3 ticket. 3 ticket. It's ticket, not ticket. Oh, yeah, that's already full. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of tweaky. I literally got 10 pound, 10 pound, 10 more honey. But in my opinion, it's actually kind of good. I mean, obviously, nothing can be better than bee swarm. I mean, nobody even has the code for bee swarm other than on it. So like, but yeah, they did kind of good. They did kind of good. Yeah, we're about to finish this. Finish. Yay! Yeah, legendary puff is gonna stay there forever if it's not even gonna pop. Honestly, I would say this game is probably like a 5 out of 10. It's alright. It's an alright ripoff. I just know it can be better. It can definitely be better. Like, it just needs a little bit more tweakings. Yay! I can enjoy my salad now. Whoa, black bear turned to polar bear moment. Is that that's a puff shoot. Level 4 and it's only 880,000? What the heck? Here it is. Thanks, beekeeper. Here's a reward. 1 ticket, 5 treat, 500 honey. I'll try the red clover salad. What about a blue clover salad instead? Here's the recipe for it. Yo, bro, black bear is literally just oh, wait. Oh, never mind. Black bear is literally just turning to polar bear right now. Is polar bear even... There's so many questions I have for this. So many. So many! Oh, another legendary puff that's probably not even gonna pop. That rhymed. And my bag is already full. The Drake is doing wonderful stuff. But once I get that one backpack that... Oh, shoot, I just broke my legs. That one backpack that costs like 5,000. It'll be even better. I can probably afford another basic egg. I could get the 3B area. But not yet, I'm saving up for that. These perfumes are so much. Level 4 and it's literally 80,000. What in the world? Oh, it's only level 4. Ah, I imagine level 10 being like a whole million, bro. What's level 1 even? Probably at least 1,000. No, probably at least 10,000. It's probably kind of easy, but still. There's a bunch of bugs in this, like a bunch. Oh yeah, if you didn't see that over there, there's a blue extract. Blue extract thing. I don't know, like, so you can. I don't know. Oh, and for people asking, where's the white extract in bee soy? Technically, it's alright. It's the tropical drink. The tropical drink is literally the white extract. Cause I was asking this to myself, like, where's the white extract? And then I realized it's literally the tropical drink, and plus it even gives you conversion, so it gives you even more. So it's even better than a white extract. Yeah. No, wait, what is 5? Is 5,000 now? I thought it said 1,000. What? This is so outrageous. Technically, a white driver is also the same thing as a white extract. So, yeah. Photon bear. Shouldn't it be photon bee bear? But bee bear isn't here. So just adding photon into bee bear makes it a photon bee bear. Common sense. Oh, I'm getting so close. I think after this quest, I'm gonna get that thing. And then that's probably when I'm gonna stop the video because I really gotta go now. It's 8 minutes past my bedtime. My dad could come in the door at any time. He can be like, "Go to sleep," or something like that. Yeah. Is there auto jelly settings? I'd still there would be at least one code, right? Right. There's so many questions I have for this. Like, is there glitter? Is there red? Is there this? Is there that? The only way to know is by playing. You know, you get the 5K so easily. Those students retreats were so good. They're so worth it too. I imagine somebody being an end gamer in here. How would you even consider you an end gamer when well you don't really know what you're considered an end gamer here. Oh, there's admin, eh? Admin, huh? Ha 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 ha. Time to give myself 69 million. Huh? Okay, never mind. Nothing. Oh, gained 5K. Yay. I saw Black Bear is literally just polar bear now. Black Bear is literally polar bear. Why do I hear windy bees? I hear a windy bee somewhere. I think I might actually keep playing this game. It's actually I actually like it. I somehow got 30 more pollen than I was supposed to. I don't know why it doesn't tell you like your exact honey. It just says 4.5K. It doesn't say 4,529 or 4,628. It just says 4.5. Yeah, there's a lot of flaws about this game, but like I said, nothing gets better than the actual bee swarm. So it's not like they can make it better anyways. Even if I tried, I could. Heck, I don't think I could even make it close. If Polymorph knew about bee swarm, I think he would actually try to do it. But not in 2 hours. Oh, heck no. He would not be able to do that in 2 hours. Definitely not. Okay, last time, and then that's when I get the backpack. Yay, new backpack. I keep hurting my legs. So I think this is just bees one, but like more added stuff, more bees and stuff. You have exactly 5K. Well, I don't know if I have exactly 5K because of that thing. Can't purchase. Kashing. Wait, five treats. Hmm. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah. This game was really fun. Um I wouldn't say it's better than the actual beast swarm. Was I keep on saying it, but I'll say it one more time. Nothing's better than the actual beast swarm. Let me kill this ladybug real quick. Get some treats, maybe. Yay, treats. Okay. Yeah. So,